non-stop.
We did all the way.
The part of the show where Lady comes out and sings a song.
Yeah.
Please, can someone help me? I need a sneeze. Wait for the sneeze, doctor. Just take a seat. He'll be right with you. The average sneeze travels at a rate of 100 miles an hour. In 2003, Dirk Evert of Grunholz, Germany, clocked in at 150. Way to go, Dirk. Dunker. You can spin that Interesting fact. The photic sneeze reflex, or sneezing when exposed to bright light, is a genetic trait found in 25% of the population, including Dirk. Gesundheit, which interestingly means good health in German. Ja. Sneeze if you have to. Sneeze if you need to. This has been City Songs with Penny. Tune in next time to hear Dirk say, Ich bin ein Sneezer.
Yeah.